Do you want to try a unique yet delicious recipe for your family? Then try this egg and prawn recipe. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a very easy and unique prawn and egg recipe with coconut milk gravy. My younger son loves prawns and the older one loves egg. So just to make both of them happy, I make this recipe. This is a very easy recipe and I have made it with less oil just to have it a little healthier for my kids. And this recipe is very quick to make. So let's get started. The first step is to shallow fry the eggs. For that I have taken here 4 boiled eggs and this is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to shallow fry it. This is absolutely optional. If you don't want, you can always skip it, and always make sure you make a lot of slits in the boiled egg before shallow frying it. So this is done. I'm going to take. Now to make the gravy, I have heated here about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can take any oil of your choice, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and now goes a cup of sliced onion. I'm going to fry the onion till it becomes translucent. As you can see, the onion has become translucent. Now to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to cook the ginger and garlic till the raw aroma is gone and it gets nicely fried up. Now to this ginger and garlic I have added few green chilies and tomatoes. The tomatoes are roughly chopped. Now green chili is absolutely to your taste. You can add more or less according to your choice. We don't eat very spicy food, so I have added here just 2 green chilies. Now goes some salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder. And definitely red chili powder is absolutely to your taste. Since I have very less oil, so I'm going to cover the lid and let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. As you can see, the masala is quite soft, and I'm going to fry it a little bit more till oil starts to separate and it gets nicely fried up. So this masala is done, quite dry, oil is oozing out. Now to this I have added here half a kilo of prawns. If you have shrimps, you can always add it. And now I'm going to cook the prawn in this masala till oil starts to separate. This is a very important step. If the moisture is still there and you add the coconut milk, the gravy is not going to taste good. So make sure that you cook the prawn along with the masala till all the masala dries up and oil starts to ooze out. So this looks pretty dry. The masala is pretty dry, oil is oozing out. Now to this I'm adding the coconut milk. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. So I'm going to add here the 4 boiled and shallow fried eggs and 2 cups of coconut milk. That's it. Since the prawn is already cooked, I don't have to cook it further. I'm going to just cover the lid and let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes just to bring everything together. And that's it. After 5 minutes this is ready. 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and a handful of freshly chopped up coriander leaves. That's it. This recipe is ready and it goes really well with some steamed rice. So I'm going to serve it now.